Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, so now in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called Quick and Easy Meals. Okay, so this is a freestyle collaboration, and that means you can make anything from a smoothie all the way down to a salad, grilling outside, whatever it is that you decide to make, including baking, guys. Just upload the video, use the hashtag, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Now, this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Buckeye Girls Recent Things. And joining us today is Deborah Cabasa, Home Living. Okay, so this is my quick and easy meal for today. After I got back in from church, I decided, since I pulled out some sausage links, cut up some onions, we're gonna go ahead and put the sausage links in the air fryer to speed up the cooking process. And I'm going to sit here and cut up some onions, and yeah, I'm gonna play a little bit of music, guys, and I'll be in and out of the video letting you know what I'm doing. I'm going to be linking below the host and the channel links down below, including the playlist. So make sure, guys, and for watch the video, subscribe to the channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, because you don't want to miss quick and easy meals. Okay, so I'm cutting up these sausage links into big chunks, and then I'm throwing them in the pan there with the onions and some olive oil. Now, I normally season with salt, pepper, garlic, and oregano. You guys season according to the seasoning and the spices that you like. So we're gonna flash fry these, and then I'm gonna cover them with some chicken broth and let that simmer for about 20 minutes, and then I'll be back. Okay, now this dish looks pretty much done. And by the way, I did throw in some shiitake pasta. It's absolutely delicious, guys. So I'm getting ready to serve. Let's head on over to the reveal. Okay, so as we're serving here, let me just remind everybody that if you head on over to the community tab over at my main channel, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, I'm going to go ahead and post it in this channel also. You will see all of the collaborations that I host for the month for you, for your enjoyment. So, okay, let's go get a plate and serve up. Now, doesn't that look delicious? I can't wait to eat it. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy putting it together for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you next week for quick and easy meals.